I am passionate about hot cross buns. It's important to have a bit of fun and keep it fresh, delicious and interesting for customers.
What I love about working at Coles is the drive to innovate and the continual testing of new products and flavours in and out of stores to see what customers like.
We've got some very exciting products at Coles. We wanted a theme to be Aussie classics, so we did a collaboration with Arnott's. I'm Thea and I'm a product developer in the bakery team at Coles. When developing the recipe for our hot cross buns, inspiration pops up in different scenarios all the time. My friend received an Ice Vovo keychain for Kris Kringle, which looked super cute. It sparked an idea.
Our main consideration when developing a product is our customer. If it's not right for our customer, then it's not going to succeed.
There's a lot of careful time and consideration that goes into developing the range, from concept to final product. Usually take ideas to the team and gauge whether we think it could work or not.
Food is fun when exploring. I absolutely love being in the Coles brand test kitchen. We're actually just playing with ingredients. As a chef, there's nothing better.
Through our development process of new products, we taste and test all of our recipes.
We look at aroma, taste, texture and appearance. This gives us a great idea of where we actually sit against the other products.
Once we're happy with it, we then take it to our customers for feedback. So when we do launch our products, we're launching products that they absolutely love and they want to purchase time and time again.
People say, my job sounds like the best job in the world, eating hundreds of hot cross buns every year. I mean, who doesn't love hot cross buns?